battery replacement, and deep cleaning on Acer Travelmate TMP215-52G laptop. Thank you, Sir Joseph, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional shop for a battery replacement and deep cleaning is a wise choice to ensure optimal performance, safety, and longevity. A professional battery replacement guarantees that a high-quality, compatible battery is installed correctly, restoring reliable battery life and preventing issues like overheating or swelling that can arise from faulty batteries. Deep cleaning performed by experts removes dust and debris that accumulate over time, particularly around cooling components, which improves airflow and cooling efficiency. This helps prevent overheating, reduces fan noise, and protects internal components from damage caused by dust buildup. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Battery replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your battery replacement and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.